Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to transfer money from Red.Pay to PayPal using the best method available. So step 1, log into your Red.Pay account using your credentials. Step 2, once inside the dashboard, check your balance to ensure that you have enough funds for the transfer. Step 3, go to the send or transfer section and select the payout method that you would like. Step 4, since PayPal isn't directly supported, we need to use a third-party exchange or swap platform. We can use the method via a digital wallet like Binance or Wise. Step 5, select a trusted exchange platform that allows Red.Pay to PayPal transfers. Services like Paxful or Cardtonic sometimes offer this type of transaction. Step 6, enter your PayPal email and the amount that you want to transfer. Make sure to double check the transaction fees. Step 7, confirm the transaction and wait for the funds to reflect in your PayPal account. Processing times vary depending on the platform that you used. And that's it. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.